Norweld Australia, we're a tray and canopy manufacturer based in Cairns. We focus on heavy-duty aluminium trays and canopies. 10 years ago, we were a small business. We had about 12 staff. A lot of the work we did was done by hand. Now we're a lot more process-driven, which gives us a better finished product for our customer. It's easier for us to know our profitability and also our production capabilities in the future. We've spent a long time developing the product and making it easily accessible outside of Cairns. Having a business isn't an easy thing. Owning a business isn't easy. You can't do it on your own. You'd think you might be able to do it, but the thing is that there's people out there that want to help, and it's knowing that you can depend on them to go to them and say, hey, how do I fix this problem? Or capitalising on their knowledge, their expertise. The Cairns Manufacturing Hub, they've been instrumental in helping us look at what other technologies out there and then guiding us through the process of applying through a grant. And that was for a multi-cam high-speed router. So it was a custom-built unit, around $250,000 for the machine. The hub helped kicked in with their 75% co-contribution, so it was around $180,000 from the government towards the purchase of this machine. Our output's gone from maybe 12 trays a year in 2011. We're doing 20 plus trays a week, 10 plus canopies a week out of our Cairns facility. And these are shipped to Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, as well as exported to America, South Africa, the Middle East and Europe. With the addition of the new multicam router, we've hired 5 staff in the processing, welding and fabrication side of things. And then we've hired an additional 7 throughout the whole business due to an increase in capacity, productivity and increase in actual output. We buy a lot more products locally from other suppliers. We've added auto electricians. We buy more auto electrical products. We paint more canopies. Our painters put staff on. And all these things have allowed us to have an impact locally and create jobs, not just at Norweld, but at other businesses around Cairns. I would suggest connecting with the Cairns Manufacturing Hub, understanding what they offer, how they can support you as a business in doing business better, providing people with jobs, providing people with quality of life.